Going to Dollar Tree and Cub Foods. You want to buy corn starch. You want to do some science project at home. So that's me and that's him over there, and we're gonna go buy some stuff for him to do some science project at home. So alright, click the button below. You know what to do. Subscribe and continue for supporting us, and hopefully you're having a good day, good night, good evening, whatever time you're watching this. Alright, peace. It's May the 12th, 2020.
And this video is sponsored by cornstarch.
Cornstarch sponsors this video. I hope they hear that, then they can give us some money. Some guys are cleaning over there.
Yep, this video is sponsored by cornstarch. And if you're watching as daddies, grandma, mom, good night. And good night to my cousins too if you have phones.
We should be at the Dollar Tree in less than a minute. Just yesterday was cold. Today is real warm. It's Minnesota weather. Okay, I'm gonna pause here and then we're gonna go to Dollar Tree.